To erase unwanted objects on photos using Object Eraser on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app, and then open the required photo. Tap Edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Tools icon. Tap Object Eraser. As you can see, your phone will automatically highlight suggested object to erase. You can tap to select or deselect things to erase. Tap Erase to confirm. If needed, you can repeat the process for any other object you want to erase. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button. And then tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the selected object has been erased from the selected photo. With the Object Eraser tool, editing becomes faster and more intuitive. This tool suggests object to erase, making it easy to remove unwanted object and refine your shot with just a few taps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.